So I'm going to be showing how to install the GCC compiler for Windows using the main going journey for Windows. So you can just use this keyword on Google. It should bring out this search and then you click on the minimalist GNU for Windows. Once you click that, you want to download it on your system, and in a matter of 2-3 seconds you will get a download notification in your browser. And once you get it, you go to the folder. This is it. You double click to install. When you double click, it's going to give you the install option. Then you go ahead and then you let this installation. I'll pause the video for a while. Now it's prompting me to continue, which I will. And once it's done, you want to find all the list of the GCC for Windows. But if you're not going to be doing like a C++ compilation or any other special compilation, I think gist is okay. But let's just go to all the setup to be sure we install everything. So you want to look out for GCC compiler. Basically, when you look into this list, you see this for C++. This is the compiler for C++. You mark it for installation, and then we need to look for C. Okay, this is for C. Okay, it's already marked. And we mark this. We mark this. Also, you might be needing this if you are doing like a C and C++ cross development. So I think this is all we need. Once you select all these, you come here and you say apply changes, and then this is going to try and connect to download all these packages to your system. It might take a while. I'll pause the video for some moment and I'll be back. So my package has been downloaded. Now it's being installed on my machine. This also will take some time, and I'm still going to pause the video and then this is going to be done. So my installation is done, and I'm going to close this window and close this window. So the next step for me is to add the installation part to environmental variable. To do that, I need to go to PC, then to the this parts. I'm going to look for this mingling. I call it mingling anyways. I'm going to look for this part. I'll click it, and then I need to look for this bin. These are all the compiler bin binaries on Windows. So what I need is this part. I'm going to copy this part. Then I will search for environmental variable. So you see this option edits the system environmental variable is what we need. Once we click it, we'll come to environment variable, environment variable, and I don't know why my system is hanging. Then you come to parts. This is the system parts. You edit, then you create a new part, and then you paste your binary part for the compiler. So once you do that, you say okay, then okay. In order to test if our installation is not correctly done, we can just do a CMD. No, we want to open it as an administrator. Just say open as an administrator, say yes. Then here you say GCC. Depending if you didn't install GCC, you might want to do a G++. So GCC, check the version. If you get this, then you've correctly installed it. Then also you need to look for the version to be sure you also install the compiler for C++. So if you get all this message, then it means your installation is correct. And then what you can do next is to test it with Visual Studio. You can open your Visual Studio here. I already have, okay, I don't want this. Yes, move to cycle. So I already have like a small code snippet. I'm going to clear my screen and then test if we can compile this by launching G++. These parts that we have are main. We should get something like an executable binary, which is a.exe. If we run a.exe, I'm using tab to autocomplete anyway, so you can do that also in your system. If you press enter, it should be able to print hello world, which means your GCC and G++ compiler, everything is nicely installed. Thank you for listening. See you guys around. Bye.